makes me sad to make this video, but the time has finally come that the pit bike is going to be going away to another home, a new home for some other kid to ride, or adult. I don't know who's going to buy it, but it's going to be going soon. If you've been following the Instagram, then you would know that I'm in the process of getting a new bike. And getting a new bike, it's normally easier to get rid of one to cover the expenses and also just free up some space. So the pit bike is going to be taking that and is going to be leaving. So you'll be seeing a lot less of it in the upcoming videos because I'll be trying to clean it up, get it ready to sell instead of beating it up like I have when I've used it. But I've definitely gotten my money's worth out of it. As you can see, I've rode very hard on it, got a couple scratches here and there. Definitely got a lot of dirt on it. Had to get a brand new tube because I was riding too aggressively. But yeah, the knobs have definitely been worn down from their original state. But yeah, just expect a new bike in the upcoming week or two. I don't know if I'll be making any videos too soon about it, but it depends on how much I have time for. But just prepare yourself for a trip down memory lane with this bike. I'm gonna be doing a string of clips and just enjoy the video. Okay, that's what I was trying to avoid.